One of the first things you'll want to do in the newest ChatGPT is to compare the plans based on whether you want to upgrade to a paid plan either temporarily or permanently, to compare it with what you are already using inside of ChatGPT. What you'll notice is that there are a number of elements available inside of the free plan that are inside of the paid plan. For example, you do have limited access to some of the later models. You do have access to data analysis, file uploads, web browsing, and image generation. You can also use custom GPTs if you choose to use the free plan. The paid plan will give you access to advanced voice mode. It will also allow you to create and use custom GPTs. Importantly, in this area, you will have access to some of the newer features such as GPT search until it is made available to all users, even on the free plan. And so you can use this information to determine when you are ready to upgrade to a paid plan, and there are no penalties for starting a paid plan 1 month and canceling the next month until you need it again. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.